Adjusting the filtration cycles on your Signature Series spa allows you to fine-tune water clarity and efficiency based on your usage. While most people stick with the factory settings, you can adjust the cycles to match how often you use the spa or how clear you want the water. Filtration Cycle 1 runs a circulation pump on low speed. This is the most energy-efficient option for regular water movement. You'll notice one chasing dot indicating this cycle. Filtration Cycle 2 runs Pump 2 on high speed. This provides more aggressive filtration and circulation when needed. You'll see two chasing dots indicating this cycle. To make adjustments, tap the screen to wake up the display. Then press the 1 and 2 icons to enter the main menu. From there, tap the Settings icon. Then tap the Filter icon. For Filtration Cycle 1, tap the start and end times to set the duration that works for you. If you'd like additional filtration support, activate Filtration Cycle 2 by tapping it, then set the desired run times. Once everything is adjusted, tap the check mark to save your settings. Your spa will now filter on your schedule. For more ways to personalize your spa, check out other helpful tutorials for signature spas from The Great Escape. See you next time.